The smartphone as we know it is about to die. For the last 5 years, Apple has been playing a safe, iterative game. A slightly faster chip, a slightly better camera, a new color. It was enough to keep us buying, but it wasn't enough to make our jaws drop. But 2026 is different. Behind the closed doors of Apple Park, the engineers have finally stopped holding back. They've realized that the Pro Max name needs to mean something again. What you're looking at isn't just a phone. It's the iPhone 18 Pro Max. And if the latest leaks from the supply chain are even half true, the device you have in your pocket right now is about to feel like an ancient relic. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't just hype. We are talking about a fundamental shift in how a phone is built. Since 2017, we've lived with a cutout at the top of our screens. We called it the notch. Then we called it the dynamic island. But the ultimate goal has always been a single, seamless slab of glass. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to be the first device to finally achieve the full-screen dream. By moving the complex FaceID sensors under the display using whole-in active area technology, Apple is shrinking the visible footprint of the camera to a tiny, singular punch hole. Imagine a 6.9-inch display with a 98% screen-to-body ratio. No distractions. No island floating in your movies. Just pure, edge-to-edge immersion. But the display is just the bait. The real predator is hiding inside the logic board. For the first time in history, we are moving to 2-nanometer silicon. The A20 Pro chip isn't just a number change, it's a physical impossibility brought to life. By shrinking the transistors to a 2-nanometer scale, Apple is packing billions more switches into the same tiny space. This isn't just about opening Instagram faster. This is about power efficiency that we've never seen. We are talking about a chip that is 30% more efficient while being 15% faster. When you pair this with the rumored 5,100 mAh battery, the iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just a one-day phone. It's a weekend phone. You could leave your charger at home on a Friday and not worry until Sunday night. And why do we need all that power? Because of the brain. Apple Intelligence has been a slow burn, but with the iPhone 18 Pro Max, the fuse is finally hitting the dynamite. With 12 gigabytes of high-bandwidth RAM as the new minimum, this phone is designed to run massive, local language models. This isn't Siri asking to search the web. This is an on-device digital twin that predicts your needs, edits your videos in real time, and manages your life with zero latency. It's the first iPhone that feels like it's thinking with you, not just for you. Let's talk about the professional in Pro Max. For years, mobile photography has been limited by physics. A fixed lens can only do so much. But the iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to introduce something that will make DSLR manufacturers sweat, a mechanical variable aperture system. For the first time, your iPhone camera will physically open and close its lens, just like a human eye. This isn't AI-simulated blur. This is true optical depth of field. In low light, the lens opens wide to drink in every photon. In bright sun, it narrows to capture razor-sharp detail. This, combined with a new 3-layer stacked sensor from Samsung, means that